didn't know that you guys was gonna like this ginger hair on me so much.
Number 10, Spice's new hair color. Alright, burritos know, so the dancehall queen, she always keep things fresh, keep things spicy. And so she dropped a brand new hair color, and it'll look very, like gingery. People are call her all kind of names. She brought it up on social media. Some say a ginger spice, some say a pumpkin spice. But, it is still undecided right now. I think she actually work with both of the names. But one thing, Spice is a beautiful black woman.
So my hair is a little bit messy today because I've been walking, doing a little bit of 2026 shopping, and the hair is kind of blowing all over the place. But I wanted to just ask you something real quick, besties. I didn't know that you guys was gonna like this ginger hair on me so much, and so I was thinking to give this persona a name and just give her own little personality. Most of you know I used to live in England, in North London. So obviously, whenever you see the ginger hair, I am going to use my British accent. So, we keep that persona to itself separately from Spice. One of the problems I'm having is finding a name for this ginger hair persona. And so I was thinking, because I used to live in North London, one of the first things that I got introduced to when I was in England was the Piccadilly line, because I used to take the train station. So do you think I should call this ginger hair persona Piccadilly? Also, when I'm in England, because she has the British accent, I always get a cup of tea and some crumpets. So I love crumpets. Maybe I could call her Crumpet.
It set her in a one different gear. Worse like she like a slim down now. She just give you one different bombshell type of beauty, and it goes well against her dark melanin. So boy, oh boy, Spice, yeah man. This was a win.